Hi everybody, my name is Sanjay and today again I am going to share with you a very nice story with a very nice message and meaning. Due to this corona, this crazy corona, we all have now locked down in a home. So many things or value of so many things we come to realize now, like freedom of wandering, then so many things which we taken as a granted from nature, like air, water, food, or many things what we get from government, public. And now there is a big scarcity for that, and we come to know the value of all these things. So on the base of that, I am going to share with you a very nice story what I listen on a YouTube video. Very nice story, hope you will like it. Once the hunter went in a jungle to find some food and his hunt, and he lost his way in a deep of jungle. He used all his navigation skill but could not find the way how to come out from that jungle, that forest, and nor he find his food. Then he becomes so much hungry after 3 days, because for 3 days he did not find anything. And suddenly he find one nice apple tree in the middle of the jungle. He becomes so happy because for 3 days he did not have any food in his stomach, and he got one apple tree, very nice apple tree. Immediately he take 10-20 apple from that apple tree and start eating for that. When he find that apple tree, he with a happy mood, he pleased a God. He thanks the God, nature, everything, that how the nature is beautiful, that he given me this tree, and now I am very happy. Then he start to eat that apple. He start to eat first apple, and the taste of that first apple is so sweet that he very thankful to the God and nature, very happy. Then he taken a second apple. Then slowly the happiness or that joy come down drastically. Second apple, third apple, at the fifth apple he lost all the interest. And we came to a 10th apple. While eating the 10th apple, he become crazy. He thought that, what is this? No any taste. He complaining a lot to the nature. Not good apple. He start throwing the apple. Because now he has plenty of apple and he don't have any value of that apples. Actually the taste of 10th apple is same as the first apple, but due to the plenty of apple or availability of apple, he not give the importance of the 10th apple. There is no any mistake with that apple, but mistake with that person who was eating the apple. So my friend, in our case also happening the same way, similar way. In the economics, it is called as law of diminishing a marginal utility, or in other way, we can say that law of diminishing gratitude, or taking things granted. When we take so many things as a granted, then we did not find any taste or any joy from that things. But once we get a scarcity or some lowness of that thing, then only we come to know the value of that things, and then we start for appreciating the things. So this is the story, and this is also called as 10th apple effect. Let me share one real incident, or we can say it is fiction, whatever it may be. One 75 years old man once get admitted in a hospital, and he get cured by use of ventilator. Then doctor told him to pay the ventilator fee about $5,000 for one day. Then he start crying. Doctor become crazy. Why? Surprised. Such a rich person, why he is crying for the money? Then what he replied, what he shout back on the doctor, that made the doctor cry. What he said? he said that I'm not crying for the bill or payment for that ventilator, but I'm just thinking that for 75 years I am using a plenty of air, oxygen from this nature. I'm never paid a single rupees for the nature, or never take care of the nature in a good way. What that gives me, because I think or take it granted that air is for me from this nature. So for one day I have to pay 5,000 US dollar for this ventilator, for this oxygen, for this air. Just imagine for 75 years how much bill I have to pay to this nature for this oxygen and air. You know, my friend, this is the real situation nowadays in our world on this planet. We are taking so many things granted and never paying the attention for this nature or these things. And due to this, we are destroying the world by not taking granted. Gratitude actually is such a thing that it increases your immune system and gives you a peace. So don't forget to gratitude the nature, the things, the main public, government, because so many things we are getting from this government, public, like food, water, air. We not pay attention on it when that things are available in plenty. So take care for that. Lastly, I will conclude my talk with a very nice sentence that when you are grateful for the things you have been in life, you will have more things to be grateful for. I will repeat. When you are grateful for the things you have been in a life, then you will have more things to be grateful for. So if you respect the things whatever available in a nature, that things will be come to you in plenty. If you not take care or not respect that things, then one day you will die. You will not get a sufficient quantity of oxygen or anything. Hope you like this story, and hope you will respect the nature, respect the government, respect the public, respect the food in a future to make this world more and more beautiful. Thank you very much. Bye.